Hello, we are on board sailing vessel Sine Finis. Pegasus people by Pegasus Yachts. Thanks for joining us. We're right outside of Corfu, alongside Corfu, heading over to Sicily. We got about 18, 19, 20 knots of wind, or about 100-degree true wind angle. Apparent wind angle. We have our cut 0 and full main going about 9.5 to 10.5 knots. Great speed. The cut 0 is kind of a richer, a shorter, a little bit smaller than a spinnaker. And we're on full main. There's Corfu, Greece, and the other side is Albania. The seas are nice and clean, only about 2 to 3 feet, and coming behind us, so we're getting a nice lift from that as well. It's beautiful, beautiful ride at 9.5 to 10.5 knots. The Code Zero is doing amazing. Enjoy. There's our Greek flag there. We're getting little gusts sometime. Wind's going from like 18 to 21 knots of speed. And then inside the cockpit is so well protected. We're like in a cocoon. Amazing. Philippe is doing a little work. He's got the salon all set, the gimbal salon all set up. So he's basically pretty much horizontal, able to work while we have about probably a 18-degree heel. And see our galley here. I love the connection between the cockpit and the salon. It's quite amazing. See the nav station here with our giant screen. Roger's taking a nap. He's napping nicely. We're gonna have a night, an overnighter going to Sicily. Once we pass the southern end of Corfu, we're gonna make a sharp turn and get into. We're probably gonna be. Right now we're going about 9.3, 9.5, 9.7, 9.8, 9.8. Our speed here. Come on, break the 10, baby. Yeah, you did it. All right, we're going 9.5 to 9.2 to 10.5, basically. 112 wind angle, 20 knots of wind right there through wind speed. Apparent wind speed about 15. We have our double helm here, really comfortable. Love to steer here, sitting down. You can see the sail from this side, on the lower side. 4 winches, all electric. Everything's coming back to the helm, so we can manage everything from here. And I added a boom brake. See this line across there? From the boom, it's a boom brake, so to avoid accidental jibes, to avoid them, boom brake's really great setup that been using a lot in with my previous boat. All right. Thanks so much for joining us. Let's sail together for another couple of minutes. Then I'll say goodbye for the day. Corfu, Greece over here. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nico. I'm sailing vessel Sine Finis, Pegasus 50 by Pegasus Yachts off of the coast of Greece, Corfu. And now we're to Sicily, Italy, and riding along Albania. See ya. Happy sailing. Bye.